If you ever wanted to build your own website but felt overwhelmed, today's your lucky day. In this video, I will show you how to build a website with WordPress. So first things first, go ahead and head over into wordpress.com and then click on the sign up button at the top right of your screen. So in here, you have these options to create your account. So go ahead and select your account creation option that you want to use. And then after you have created your account on WordPress, you can go ahead and proceed on claiming your space on the web. So in here, you just need to enter the name of your website and then click on the search domains button, and this will allow you to view all of the available domains that you can choose from on WordPress. So you can simply click on this add to cart button to buy this specific domain that you want to use. You can also use the free domain, such as being a subdomain of WordPress.com. So after you have done that, into this section, you need to go ahead and select the plan that you want to use. So as you can see, there are a few plans that you can choose from. So you can find the difference of each plans from each other below each of the listed plans. So go ahead and select the plan that you want to use, and then once you have selected that, you can go ahead and proceed to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. So in here, you'll be able to find the next steps that you need to do to be able to start your site on WordPress before you launch it. So go ahead and give your site a name. So click on that next step, and that will take you into the settings page. In here, go ahead and set the site title. You can also add a tagline and upload your site icon. Now once you're done with this, go ahead and scroll down. At the bottom left of your screen, you'll find the Save Changes button to save your changes. Now after that, you need to proceed on the third step, which would be to edit your site. So click on this Edit Site button below the Quick Links section, and that will take you into your site draft. So in here, you can go ahead and edit this out. So you can go ahead and select the styles, add pages, use templates or patterns if you want to. So go ahead and select the type of draft that you want to start from. So for me, I want to use templates. So I'll simply select from this templates available. And then once you have selected a template, you can go ahead and proceed on editing out that template to fit your website's needs. So once you're done setting up your website, you can go ahead and click on the save button at the top right of your screen to be able to publish this page into your WordPress website. And that's it. You've built your own WordPress website. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your site link. I'd love to check it out.